We've got a statement that's come through from the MPA, from the desk of Advocate Mzansi, who is, of course, the national spokesperson of the MPA, with the MPA having confirmed its decision not to prosecute anyone in the CweCwe sexual assault case due to insufficient evidence. And now, in the statement, it confirms that decision that had taken place last year. A case docket was presented to prosecutors in the Matatiele Magistrates Court, as well as to the case manager at the Matatiele Tutuzela Centre in the Eastern Cape. And the docket contained information with what they're calling suspicions of sexual assault on this minor girl. The prosecutors then assessed the contents thereof and concluded that there was insufficient evidence upon which a successful prosecution could be instituted, as no conclusive evidence of rape or sexual assault could be found after an interview and examination conducted on the minor girl, and this would have taken place at that time. Now, the Eastern Cape Director of Public Prosecutions, the statement goes further, says later called for the docket, and the prosecutors in the DPP office relooked the matter and confirmed the decision made by the prosecutors in Matatiele, and that decision was then communicated to the police officers who had submitted the docket, and that docket was then returned to them. The DPP's office did not release a public statement at that time with regards to their decision. In addition, doing so could have potential to compromise any ongoing police investigation. The statement closes by saying, however, in view of the public outcry and interest generated since the matter resurfaced in April of 2025, the MPA has decided to communicate the decision now publicly of the prosecutors in the Eastern Cape Division. They can also then indicate that the police have since resubmitted the docket to the DPP's office for further consideration. That then the statement released just a short while ago by the MPA national spokesperson, Advocate Mzansi, and I'm sure we'll hear more on that.